Welcome to the vlog. It is May 6th, 2017, and we are in the middle of the lawn rush. So, whoa, take a look at these depressed fish. They look just so lonely. But yeah, we are right here in the middle of the lawn rush. And I mean, right now I could be adding lawn accounts left and right, but I could be adding lawn accounts left and right, but I just haven't been that confident in my people yet because there's a lot of new guys and they are still training, and you know it's a big deal to throw a lot of accounts at a couple guys that don't know what they're doing yet. Look at that. Hey, Sammy. All right, so the guys have been mowing since like 7 o'clock. Shit, gotta get out. All right, so the guys have been mowing since like 7 o'clock this morning, and I'm gonna pop in and check up on them. Whoa, what's up with this? Cops are creeping. What are they creeping on? Probably looking for me. They shouldn't even call this truck EcoBoost. They should call it EcoBeast. All right, so I gotta go check up on my guys in the field, and there is a couple different ways that I can actually locate where they are exactly without calling them to figure out where they are. So one way is with this app on the phone, and it is called EasyGo Tracker, and it works off of the GPS that is located in the truck. So with this tracking device, I can see exactly, well, give or take. See, it tells me where the truck was at 12:42, but right now it's like 12:58, and at that time they were driving down the road at 22 miles an hour, so they're obviously not in that specific location at the moment, but they were driving down Utica. So if I can see that, then I can look over at the Jobber app and see what job they left off at and where they're probably headed next. But a lot of times this won't be up to date by just a few minutes, and it will kind of throw you off and kind of have you searching for the truck and not able to find it. Also, what's cool about this little app is that you can click on reports and you can see right on your phone everywhere that the truck has been and the speed that it's traveled. It says here that they took 94. They traveled on 94 this morning at 7 o'clock at 65 miles an hour, 73 miles an hour. So that, you know, we can find their exact speeds. Moving forward, you can tell all their speeds, all their directions, and on the computer, on the table report, you can click table report, and you can see by looking at this how long they were at each house. And on a computer, it generates a nice spreadsheet that you can just go through real quick and figure out how long the guys were at each location. The second way that I can find them is right here. This is the Google Device Manager. So basically you sign into the Google Device Manager and it will show you all your devices. So there's a tablet in the truck, so it shows everything that I've had over the years. This is probably like an old smartphone. This is the tablet that's in the truck. This is the cell phone right there, so it doesn't do much help to find that phone. But yeah, if I locate this tablet in real time, I can lock it, I can make it ring, and I can erase it, but I can also just locate it. So that's what I'm doing. If I want to just get there real quick, I can just locate it that way, and I know exactly where they are, and then I can make my way that direction. On the Google Device Manager, they completed that job. So if I were to go there, actually I need to go here to the next area. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. All right, pulling up, checking up on the guys. It's a little tough because there's always a fire lane. Let's see what we got going. Just following the truck to the next site. You even mow, bro? Alright, check out this Echo speed feed. Alright, so the trailer lights on the truck are not working.